Do you hate mosquitoes? Burn this out and never bother you again. If you are a lover of natural and organic products and hate the aroma of the chemicals released by traditional insecticides, keep listening to this video. We have to share a surprising home remedy, 100% natural, ecological and also free. For many people, coffee is the perfect way to start the day, finish a meal or help recover after a long weekend. But while humans may tend to love the bitter taste, usually with some cream and sugar, some insects find it toxic. Instructions: 1. Accumulate the coffee waste you have poured to prepare your infusions in a bowl covered with foil. 2. Keep this residue in a cool, dry place, free of moisture. 3. Wait until the debris is completely dry and then place it in a flat place such as a table or table, outdoors. 4. Check that there are no children or pets. 5. Take a tin jar or metal container and place the waste coffee grounds in the dry state. Then fire the inside of the jar. You will see that the debris will begin to burn slowly and the mosquitoes will flee in terror and holy remedy. 6. Alternatively, you can place the coffee waste in a linear fashion on a board and fire one end with fire. The fire will burn the waste slowly until you reach the other end. The result will be equally beneficial. A closed container like the one described in the previous section is preferred for the economy of space and the security it provides for all the members of the household.